You see my office is messy. It's messy. I didn't even clean it up for you. But today's July 1st. And in Mary Kay, that means it's day one. We start our year on July 1st. And so I thought, how to start the year except with an unboxing. So I'm just going to do a brief one. This is even a lot of new stuff, right? This is just a nice little box to make sure that my customers have everything they need. But what I want to show you, if you've ever been interested in this business or you've thought I could use some extra money this summer, maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're someone who does seasonal work and you're like, I could really use a little extra money. Let me just first tell you that we get 50% of everything that we sell. That's crazy. And then when you start to build a team, which is not hard because you get 50% of everything you sell, you start to get a percentage of what your people are doing as well. And what's amazing about that doesn't come from them, it comes from Mary Kay. So what I'm showing you today is how easy it is to run this business, even if you have a small place, you don't have a huge office like I do, or this is not huge, but you don't have a big office space, or you don't know how to look at Amazon. Amazon always getting in my business. Why is that? Amazon, Alexa, what's the notification?
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service.
Alexa, stop. Alexa keeps telling me there's going to be a storm. I know. I can look outside. It's already raining. So let's move on to what this is about. So you may think, how can I do this? I'm not really business savvy. I don't know how to do a lot of, spreadsheets, and I'm not sure how to manage things. Let me tell you what's so wonderful about Mary Kay. They create all the softwares that you need. They give it to you for free so that you can run your business really quickly. And guess what? All you really need is a cell phone and a good Wi-Fi connection. Now the killer is, not only am I hardwired, not only do I have a strong I have a good phone, I don't always have a strong Wi-Fi connection, but that's okay too, because when I'm here in the house, I can hardwire in. Just telling you some of my logistics. So here's what happens. I have a thing called My Customers Plus. I'm just showing you my phone. All right, so that's my phone. It's really bright. I've got a password. I'm not telling you my password. Why are you trying to find out my password? All right, so now I'm going to do my password, and now I'm in. Now here's what this app does. All right, so you get this app from your app store once you become a consultant, either for me or someone else. And what it allows you to do is, when you get your new inventory from the company, it's going to come with a little barcode, a packing slip. And here's what happens. It's amazing. It actually allows you to take a picture of the order like this. This is all I'm going to do. I'm going to just take a picture of this. Whoops, did it wrong. Let me just do it right again. Take a picture of this barcode. Now you know how things don't act right just because you're in a process of trying to make them act right? That's what's happening right here. All right, and just like that, all of my new shipment is in my phone, which means that, let me hit okay. So that means that while I'm on the go, maybe I'm taking, my son to the orthodontist, or maybe I'm out and about in my ministry, or maybe I'm at the food market, although I probably won't be doing that because Instacart, pandemic, I don't really go to the food store anymore. What happens is someone texts me, someone calls me and says, Shatone, do you have that pink lipstick? Pink kit from the spring. Love this. Or they might say, do you have that mascara? I need a cleanser. All I have to do is go into my phone, look right through my inventory, say, yes, I do. I can actually do everything right from here. Then just go home, grab it off my shelf, and go drop it off. Or if they're not in the state, I can just go and I can go to the post office and I can mail it. It's amazing to be able to run a business directly from your phone. And a lot of companies tell you can, but with Mary Kay, you actually can. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. To tell you the truth, I don't even remember. But let's see. Let's see what we've got. I don't know. I love unboxing. I don't do it that often online, and I hope I don't get any box stuff on my white shirt. I don't do it as often as I should, but let's see what's here. Oh, okay. So first we got our packing slip. That's great. Now I'm going to just talk through these products real quick. So right now, this is Time Wise Repair. I'm going to open this up in case you've never seen Time Wise Repair. Time Wise Repair is known as the Cadillac of Mary Kay skincare. It is for those women who really, really want to take an interest in changing their skin. It is amazing. That's what I'm going to tell you right now. It's amazing. Let me check on something real quick. It's amazing, guys. Let me check on something super quick. Okay. Yes. Okay. So here we go. So this is Time Wise Repair. Whoops. I have to make sure I'm muted. Make sure I'm muted. Don't hear that feedback. All right, so this is Time Wise Repair. What makes this so special is that it does have retinol in it. It has 5 pieces, and I'm going to open it. I'm going to do a little true unboxing here. Even it smells so good, and it's gorgeous. Look at this. You can actually use the inside of the box as a mirror. Are you kidding me? I could almost put my skincare there, do my face. So you get a foaming cleanser. You get a serum that actually lifts your skin up like you're putting spandex on. You get a day cream that has SPF 30. You get a night cream that has encapsulated retinol. And you get an eye cream that's advanced. It's taking care of dark circles, puffiness. It's taking care of fine lines, wrinkles. And it's also hydrating your eye the way it needs to be hydrated. This is Time Wise Repair. If you're a woman in her late 40s, depending on how you're taking care of your skin, sometimes a little bit younger than that, you need to make sure you're using this particular skincare set. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. So, a lot of you have been asking me for masks still, right? We're not sure. Should we wear masks? Should we not? I'm wearing my mask when I'm out. So, I ordered some new masks just for you guys. These are the Mary Kay masks. If you're interested in that, I've got that for you. Oh, I have the new catalog. So many of you who are on my email list, you've already received this. If you haven't received the new catalog yet, you can get it an electronic version from me, or you can get the new catalog here. I can mail one out to you. Let's see, what else do we have? Let's see. Ooh, okay. So I got some microdermabrasion. So if you don't know about microdermabrasion, we should really meet. Microdermabrasion is going to take the top. It's really going to go beneath. It's a really tough exfoliation, but it's going to go just beneath the skin's layer and bring out all those toxins, all that extra dirt, and it's going to polish your skin and make it super, I don't know why I'm getting so many notifications, and it's going to make it super smooth and super nice, which is great. Here we have some microdermabrasion. What else do we have? Oh, of course. So we have a Time Wise 3D set. So this is basically our workhorse in Mary Kay. So I'm not going to go into all this, but this is your cleanser that has exfoliation. It does about 11 different benefits. It does have age-fighting peptides. It is going to give you that lift on your skin. It has an eye cream. It has SPF 30. It does all the things, and a night cream in here. So you get all of that. So that's that set. And then I got some goodies. So I also got, for those of you who have younger teens, kids, we have the Botanical Effects line. Let me get this all right for you. So Botanical Effects is that set when you have those teens that are, say, age 13 and up, when you want to start them on a program so that their skin doesn't go through all those changes. I mean, the skin's going to go through changes, but you don't want them to have to suffer. So you start them on Botanical Effects. It's for all skin types. If they have really problematic skin and they need an acne treatment, we do have Clear Proof, so we could talk about that. But this is a great skincare system just to get your young ones started. You don't want them trying to figure out, what do I do? And they're using soap and water and alcohol and peroxide. You want to give them something. So this has a gel in it, a cleansing gel, a moisturizer, and also a toner. So it has all the 3 things that they really need, especially our girls who are starting to wear makeup. They can use that. And then lastly are the gifts. So I, every month, like to do a giveaway. We'll be doing a giveaway tomorrow probably. And what ooh, there's a storm coming. There really is a storm coming. It's starting to thunder. So I got these little lip kits. These are amazing. And these were around, they're about a season back, and I was able to get them with this order, and I said, I am getting these bad boys. So basically this is a mini matte set, and what it is it's red alert. So you're going to get a red lip color that's matte, but it also has a little gloss and it's going to stay on forever. And you're also going to get like a one that's more of like a brownish shade. So you're going to get 2 of these. So some people are going to be winning these. I got quite a few of these because I was able to. My level in the company this particular month, this last couple of months, allowed me to get several of these. And so I got a bunch. I got a bunch of these to make sure that my customers have awesome gifts at all times. And is that it? Is that what I've gotten here? I think that's it. That's what we've got. So, put this aside for a second. So listen, let me tell you something. The reason why you would start a Mary Kay business is not just because you love skincare. It's not just because you like to put on makeup or you want to do tutorials. It's all those things and then some. It's all those things and then some. The reason why you start a Mary Kay business is because you want the 50%. It's because you want to build a team. It could be because you like doing tutorials. It could be because you love taking care of skin. But more than anything, I think it's because you love people. And you might be shy and still love people. You might be a little reticent to talk to people and not be sure. May not be sure what to do on social media and say, I don't know how to do all of that. The cool thing is I'm a content strategist and I'm a business coach. So all the things that you might need because you're feeling a little nervous, I can help you learn how to do all of that. I can. Been in the company over 6 years. I absolutely love it because of what it does for a woman's confidence on the inside and the outside. See, first, many times what we have to do is we work on the outside, right? Maybe you're having some skin problems, or maybe you're having some blemishes, or you're like, I don't like how I'm aging, or even with our body, like, I don't like how my body looks. I don't like how this looks. So we often attack things from the outside, and then we stop there. When a woman starts a business, many times she's like, I just need to make money. And that's where she begins and ends. She will never go as far as if she goes on the inside. So I'm the kind of coach, I'm the kind of leader that helps you do both. We work on your finances, we work on your business, but we work on the woman that you want to become, the mom you want to become, the leader that you want to become. Because let's face it, many times in corporate America, or any corporation, you can't reach the level that you want to reach. The opportunity just isn't there. In Mary Kay, the opportunity is here. So I want to let you know that if you've just even had just like, I just want to know a little bit, I just need to know, then I want you to contact me. You can reach out to me at 443-583-3670. On Facebook, you could of course get me on Facebook Messenger, Chantal Morrison, or on Instagram, you can DM me over there. You can get me at Real Princess of Positivity or Positively Confident You. Bottom line, I'm everywhere, so reach out. You could start a business today, whenever that is that you're watching this, and you can make $1,000 before the end of this month. It just takes a little bit of work. What I do with anyone who starts this business is we don't talk about how much you're going to invest before we talk about how much you want to make and what kind of relationships you want to support, because that's what it's about. I love my customers and I'm so excited to just be myself, just do what I do, be a business coach, be a confidence coach, be a life coach, be a writer, and do all of those things and also help support my elderly mom and my family. I mean, what's better than that? I don't know anything that's better than that. All right. I hope that you've enjoyed this. This is like July 1. This is day 1 in my year. And so I wanted to go live, but because of the storm, my Wi-Fi today is a little bit off. I said, let me just tape and I'll post it later. I hope that you're having an amazing day. And until we speak again, this is Chantal Morrison, Princess of Positivity. Make sure you know that you can release your negativity so your positivity can reign in your brain, your business, and your big, bold, beautiful life. And until we speak again, be authentic, be brilliant, and be the catalyst. Take care.